Is meal prepping the secret sauce for building serious muscle gains? When it comes to achieving our fitness goals, we all know how crucial nutrition is. And within that realm, meal prep has become a buzzword, especially for those of us looking to pack on some serious muscle mass. But what's the real deal with meal prep for muscle gain? Is it just a fancy term for eating clean, or is there more to it? In this video, we're gonna dive into the truth about meal prep for muscle gain, and I'm excited to share some insights with you. For years, traditional meal prep practices have promoted the idea of eating small, frequent meals throughout the day to keep those gains coming. But let's be real, most of us have been guilty of making some common mistakes. We overcook our chicken, underseason our veggies, and end up with meals that are more like rabbit food than muscle-building fuel. We've all been there, and it's time to acknowledge that traditional meal prep methods might not be cutting it. That's why I want to introduce you to anabolic cooking, the ultimate solution for making meal prep both easy and delicious. With over 200 recipes designed to build muscle and burn fat, you'll never have to worry about boring, bland meals again. Why choose anabolic cooking? More than 200 anabolicious recipes designed to promote muscle building and fat loss. Perfect for both men and women, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Recipes are quick and easy, most can be prepared in minutes. Includes a free quick start nutrition guide to help you start eating for results fast. One-time payment of just $9, and you also get the full color PDF version free. Every fitness enthusiast knows that nutrition is key to building muscle and shedding fat. Even with the best workout plan, without the right food, you won't see the results you deserve. That's where anabolic cooking comes in, with recipes that taste incredible while fueling your body for muscle growth. You'll learn how to prepare your meals for the entire week in less than 3 hours. The nutrition secrets that optimize muscle recovery post-workout. Tips for smart grocery shopping to save money while eating clean. And much more. Stop wasting time on dull, repetitive meals and start prepping delicious, muscle-building recipes with anabolic cooking today. Click the link in the description. Now back to the video. By mastering the art of meal prep and understanding key factors like macronutrient breakdown, portion sizes, and meal timing, you'll be fueling your body for maximum muscle growth and recovery. So let's dive deeper into these strategies so you can start seeing real results. When it comes to effective meal prep for muscle gain, it all starts with macronutrient breakdown. You need to make sure you're consuming the right amount of protein, carbs, and fats to support your muscle growth. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, and don't be afraid to bump up that carb intake to support energy production. Healthy fats are also crucial, so don't be shy with that avocado toast. Portion sizes are also key. You don't want to be eating meals that are too small or too large, as this can negatively impact your progress. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 250 to 500 calorie increments per meal and adjust from there based on your individual needs. And don't even get me started on meal frequency. You should be eating every 2 to 3 hours to keep those muscles fueled. Another important aspect of meal prep is meal timing. You want to make sure you're eating the right foods at the right times to support your workout routine. For example, after a tough leg day, you'll want to refuel with some quality protein and carbs to aid in recovery. And don't forget about those post-workout shakes. They can make all the difference in promoting muscle growth and recovery. Proper meal prep can significantly impact muscle growth and recovery. When you're fueling your body with the right foods at the right times, you're giving your muscles the building blocks they need to grow and repair. It's not just about eating more, it's about eating smarter. The science is clear: when you're consuming the right macronutrient ratios, you're supporting muscle protein synthesis, which is the key to building lean muscle mass. Muscle growth and recovery are closely tied to nutrition, and when you're meal prepping correctly, you're giving your body the best chance to recover from those intense workouts. According to Jim Stepani, PhD, proper nutrition is responsible for 70 to 80% of your gains. That's a staggering statistic. And it just goes to show how crucial meal prep is for achieving our fitness goals. As fitness coach Jeff Seed puts it, meal prep is not just about eating healthy, it's about eating for a purpose. When you're meal prepping with a clear goal in mind, you're more likely to stay on track and make progress towards your fitness goals. So what are the key takeaways from this video? Meal prep is not just about eating clean, it's about strategically fueling your body for muscle gain. You need to pay attention to macronutrient breakdown, portion sizes, meal frequency, and meal timing. It's not rocket science, but it does require some effort and dedication. If you want to learn more about workout tips and nutrition strategies, be sure to check out our video on the top 5 exercises for building massive legs. And don't forget to share your own meal prep experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.